Festival Permainan Tradisional ke-5 tahun 2019 resmi saya buka.
Friends are very cool kind of food. Yeah.
Like this food, traditional food of
Of course. Yeah.
like pempek.
Yeah.
How about pempek?
Delicious. Yeah. And so many kinds of food. Yeah.
Do you like it?
Of course. Yeah. And we made it by ourselves. Yeah.
She made pempek by herself. And what about this carnival today?
Today, I think it's funny. And the children are always smile. Yeah, they're so happy. Yeah.
And what about the traditional game?
Traditional games.
The
Yeah.
governor.
In Taiwan, we don't have that game, but I think it's very funny. Yeah. And yeah, interesting.
Always
Informasikan untuk seluruh peserta lainnya silakan dapat mengumpul